Hey all, Lance Finucci here at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be talking about this newly restyled 250 SDX Sea Ray. This one has a black hull, as you can see, and we also have another one right behind it with the Horizon Blue hull. Has a Mercury 250 on the back and a ton of features inside. So let's climb on up and go over a couple of those right now. And let's start right here at the helm. There's a Simrad 9-inch monitor in front of you with all electronics, fish finder, GPS, chart plotter, and even more. You have the Fusion stereo system, very comfortable, and adjustable helm seat. Also, something new for this model, which isn't really seen, very ample compartment to get away from the heat and the sun. Another new feature on this 250 SDX is, unlike most Sea Rays that are center walkthroughs, this is actually a side walkthrough. Let's take a walk up and look at the bow. Lots of seating for you and all your friends and family. Cooler right underneath, and also storage under some of the seats. And right up front, you have a front boarding ladder. Changing our view and taking a look at the back of this boat, you can see the passenger seat, fully adjustable, very comfortable seating, lots of room for everybody. Ample floor storage. With the sun pad right on the back. And one of the neatest features of this entire boat is that whole sun pad will slide back about 2 feet, giving you a giant swim platform to enjoy the water. Once again, this is our Sea Ray 250 SDX, and we're at MarineMax here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Come on down, take a look, and enjoy one today.